Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. I'm here to our gardens. Guys, magka-harvest ako ng avocado. Shit! Look, tingnan nyo. There's a lot of avocados, right? That I need to harvest today. I hope that I'm gonna be, success to get all of that because I know that I cannot climb anymore. I'm not young that I can climb to the trees if my father is going somewhere to, get a tuba. Yeah. And this time is, I know how to, I know that tatay is not here anymore to look after me if I'm safe all the time. And I cannot, I changed now. I don't know how to climb to the trees. Yes. I need to be behave because no one father look after me and shouting, "Stop!" 'Di ba? Yun nga guys, hindi na ako marunong umakyat kasi girly na ako ngayon. Dati kasi may pagka-boylets ako. Pwede ako maging boy, pwede din ako maging girl. Yeah, parang ano nga tawag doon? Parang dual, yeah. Dual unisex tawag. Joke lang. Ay, makukuha ka ako ng avocado! My favorite! Yes, nagluluko ko kayo. Dami-dami kong eche burera at bureret. Yeah, ayun. Ayun, abangan nyo ha. Mayroon ako masusungkit. Ano ka ba? Wait. Sa totoo lang kahapon, ay bago magtakip silim, ibig sabihin ay maggagabi na. Nakaano pa ako guys? Nakasungkit pa ako ng maraming avocado. Oh my gosh. Avocado, yeah. Alam mo kung bakit ako nagtatanim sa garden? Kasi gusto ko paglabas ko ng garden, mayroon akong mumukbangin, di ba? Hindi tao, guys. Prutas! Saglit lang, guys. Ito. Papakita ko sa inyo, ha? Nakita nyo to? Ito. Kaya, nalalaglag na pala. Diyos ko, kaya pala, hindi na pwede. Ito ay, pangsungkit to para hindi mo malaglag ang avocado. This is the best way. How can you harvest fruits without, making smash fruits under the ground, right? Under the ground. Basta yun na yun. Intindihin mo na lang yung English ko. Try to, more understand what I'm saying, okay? It means that if you cannot understand my sentence, it means that I'm not a stupid. You are the one. You are the one that you cannot manage to understand my sentence. So, it's not my fault, if you didn't study hard. If you are stupid in the beginning and until the end of your journey, until you died, you cannot manage to understand English. It means that it's not your mom's fault. It's your own fucking fault. Yeah. By the way, my job today is how can I harvest a lot of avocados fruit. Can you see me? Or you can see not me? Wala kasi ako camera girls or cameraman. Maybe one day, yes. Pag dumating na si Mukong, pag dumating si Mukong sa buhay ko, yun. At yun, makikita nyo na ako. Clear na clear. Basta ang importante guys, marunong ako magsungkit ng avocado. Oh my God! Akala ko marunong lang akong kumain. But this is it. I know how to harvest avocado. It's good to have, plants in the garden. Kaya, don't be lazy enough to, think that I have money to buy something in supermarket. So what, it's good that you have your own in the garden. Why? Because this is fresh, from your own farm. Oh my God, it's very heavy. 2 pieces, it's heavy already. Oh my God, guys, this is it. Alam mo, last year, di ba? Tignan nyo, evidence, Sabi ko sa inyo, marunong ako mag-harvest. Ganito yun, guys. Ganito ang tamang pag-harvest. Yun. Alam mo si Ante, nag-harvest na avocado. kakashoot ito sa net ni Rio. Lumatay, papunta doon sa mata niya. Pagbalik ko galing sa bahay, pumasok lang ako. Minuto lang guys, kumuha ako ng ice. Pagbalik ko, buko lang. Yung buko lang, ante ko nagkablak. Dahil sa avocado. Alam mo, sabi niya, hati daw kami ng avocado. Hindi rin, ante, mo lang ran. Nagkabukol-bukol ka na lang dahil sa avocado. Sa totoo lang guys, nagbabantay nga lang ako ng mag-aakyat na avocado sa garden. Alam mo kung bakit? Kasi hindi ko naman maakyat yun, di ba? Pero dahil naawaan ako, hindi na ako nenok ng ng avocado sa tiyahin ko. Bakit? Dahil nagka-black eye na siya guys. Kakasungkit ng avocado. Sige ma, avocado, amor. Kaya nag-iingat ako. This is the best yan. How to harvest. Ayun lang guys, na-share ko lang sa inyo, okay? Please subscribe to my YouTube channels. Bye!